Hey guys, today we have very cool Canon camcorder. It's from 2008. The model is FS100. It's very small size camcorder. Look at that. So small you can carry even in the pocket. Why not? Okay, now made in Japan, not China. Yes, that's nice. And this is nice too. It's not a small size. It takes up to 32 gigabytes memory card. Another battery, just rechargeable. Plastic, no metal parts involved. This is very cool to watch now. The next cool thing that on light, you can use it for video clips or photos, whatever you want. Okay. Screen is not a touch screen, just normal one with a joystick. Micro, it's not a micro, it's USB, what was it, I forgot the name of that one, older one, yeah. Display battery info, easy mode, if you don't know what to do, just press that one and start shooting. This is the battery, display battery, so you can see the condition of the battery. Yeah, that's cool. And it goes, the screen goes like this. It's nice, not heavy. Okay, let's see now. On. There we go. Now zoom in, zoom out. Switch the settings from here, the modes. Right now picture. Let's see. There you go, see? We got the light now. That's so cool, huh? It's nice. Okay, next one, function. This what you have, you change those stuff here. Daylight, blah blah. Okay, how to manipulate like this. Image effect. Single. Watch. Yeah, that's the max size. No, leave it like this. Then menu. Okay, self timer. Focus, okay. Leave it automatic. Two seconds, that's enough. Okay, next one. Card. Initialize. There you go. Why not? takes sometimes 32 gigabytes. There you go. Card info. Yes, it's right. Yeah. Huh. How many pictures? 74,000 something. Oh boy. Nice info about the card, huh? Brightness, screen. Okay, in the middle. Yeah, stay here. TV screen. Those things off. Language. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. I like that. So many. Yeah, so many. Cool. Demo what? Weather info. Okay. Remote beep power quick. Okay. Last one. And that's it. Function. Yeah. Okay, we know that. Just plain. Yeah. Yeah, it does something. That one. BLC. Oh yeah, see the pictures change. If you need more exposure. Okay, that's cool. And cause those so things. Okay, I'm taking a picture now. Not bad, not bad. Okay, let's go see the pictures. We gotta switch from here. That's pictures now. This one is called Smart, huh? Oh, we have info about the pictures. F-stop 2. Yeah, exposure 00, shutter speed, blah blah, date, hour. Okay, how can I zoom it? No, don't wipe it. We have just one. When you press the joystick, just gain us info. How can I zoom that picture? I wanna zoom. Oh. Okay, from here. Yeah, I forgot about this. Okay, from here you can move it, and then zoom, you do from here. Okay, this is how it was. Yeah, seriously. It's not so bad. I don't know about pixels, probably 2 pixels or something. But yeah. See, that one is readable, which is not so bad. Yeah, it's good. Okay, got it. Okay, have to switch back to and then function P TV You can pick up the scene if you want. Sport, night, snow. That's a nice option. Oh, that's cool. I leave it like this. Okay, let's go to so photo. Press here. That's it. If you need a light. Oh, wait. Here was. Hop. There you go. See? That's so cool. There you go. You don't need a light. Turn it off. Turn it on. Off. Nice. That one is nice. Okay, now video. Wanna take video. Gotta switch. And then joystick right there. Same thing about the light. See? Up. Function. You have some options too. Okay. Can play with it. Effect. XP, which is 9 megabits per second. Yeah, really, that's the best quality. So, menu. Timer, zoom, yeah. Now here you have put it optical, advanced, and then digital. Digital is not good, I read an optical. Zoom speed, okay, guys. Image stabilization, no, of course. Widescreen, why not? I don't know, widescreen, do we need it? Oh yeah, we need it. Wind screen, yeah, stay like this. Next one, card. And that's the same. Everything else same. Video clips, just press here. And then, can we take a video clip from here? No. Oh yeah, there you go. I want to pause. Let's go. Hello. Pause. And then if I wanna play it, switch to video, there you go. That's the clip. Let's see. Let's go. Hello. Can we? Okay. Delete, select menu. Where is the sound? I want to see if I can make it stronger. Where is the sound? Speaker volume, yes. Oh, that's nice. Let's play now. Let's go. Play much better. Hello. Yes. Excellent. How about that one? Oh yeah, there you go. Cool. Yeah, you can do X15, 15, 60, forward, fast forward, rewind. That's nice. That's nice, nice. This one stays close.
Let's go. Hello.
Yeah, cool camera, guys. It's nice. You can play around with it. Yeah. The coolest part is the light. Where is it? Cam light. Ah, there you go. It makes difference, yeah. Nice. Yeah, that's the image stabilization. It's on. Show me battery 1.4. Oh, good. We have some info here. Yeah, nice. So you can start recording from here, if you press that one, or from the arrow here with the red start stop, yeah, same thing. And also zoom, you can do the zoom. Zooming pretty nice. Yeah, it's not bad at all. Now it's only optical, remember? We left it on optical only. I don't like digital. And then this one, if you need exposure a little bit more light, yeah. Photo, I guess we can do the same. Yes, same things. Okay, take a picture. Ah, no. So, okay, only, nope. Yeah, that's the light. Only the way to take a picture looks like will be from here, that button. Yeah, we cannot do it from here. It would be cool if it could, but let me try again. No. How about? Okay, yeah, only the option is that's the zoom. That's function, yeah. We don't have option here, so that one. And nice. If you wanna react it quick, so don't turn it off, just close that one. Yes, yeah, but it should be in a video mode. And when you do this, let me redo it for you. Now that one stays open, doesn't wanna close. Yeah. It's not closing. Or maybe if you're taking a video clip, and then you close the screen, what's gonna happen? Nothing. Ah, okay. Actually, it's keep recording even if the screen is closed. That's a cool option. So let's say if you don't have much battery left, so you shut off the screen, it's keep recording that camera. Yeah, see? Okay, that's nice. I think I turn off some cool options. Let's go back. Because I'm pretty sure before when you close the screen, this one, the cover, the lens, just closes automatically. When you open it, opens automatically. Power stays on, but maybe let's go to menu. Let's recheck things. I think I turn off something here. What did I touch? Nope. Here, no. No. Oh, no brightness. I think that one. Not sure, but let's try. Yeah, I got it. See? That's so cool. And now it's still on. So if you want to react quick, don't turn the power off. Just shut off the screen, then open, and then quick press. And you're in the game. There you go. Start recording. Next one, if you don't, let's see now. Yeah, see, because it's keep recording now. That's so cool. So if you don't have much battery life, do like this. It's gonna save the battery life. Nice option. Now stop recording, pause, close this, keep it from the dust, put in the pocket or just hold it, and then when react quick, open. One press, there you go, back in the game. That's nice. Okay guys, that's all about this camcorder. Yeah. It's cool. Cool from 2008. Yeah, it's nice. Okay, see you on the next. Bye bye.